Hello, and welcome to this short demonstration of dashboards within Sage Intacct. Dashboards provide an ideal medium for sharing information and gaining analytical insights into your company. To begin with, we need to navigate to the application picker, and then into dashboards, and then into the home dashboard. So it's important to remember that there is no limit to the number of dashboards that you can create, and you can also select which users have access to specific dashboards. As you can see here, there are all sorts of visual indicators that provide you with an overview of key financials. In terms of the methods of displaying data, you can have key figures, graphs, charts, and reports. On the left here, you can see what's called as a smart link. This is incredibly easy to configure and generates a live feed from any chosen website. So in this case, we're looking at the page of our own ION website, which is specifically dedicated to the Sage Intacct system. In the top right here, we've got what are known as performance cards, and these are based on key general ledger accounts and are currently set to be compared to the previous month's figures. Further down, we can see that we've got a balance sheet detail report and a 12-month profit and loss history. In terms of which reports can be added to the dashboard, we can use any of the out-of-the-box financial reports that come pre-configured with the system, or essentially any report or chart that we have custom built. One of the features that I really like about Intacct is that quite often we'll find reports have hyperlinks built in. So for example, in this balance sheet here, we can see that we can click into the accounts receivable account group. This then provides us with a pop-out window so that we can analyze the data in a bit more detail. We can then click on the actual figure, and this will then break out into a new screen that will show us how that figure is initially generated on a transactional level. And we can even go one step further, so that if we want to see specific transactions, we can click into the debit column figure here, and now we can see the actual journal entry all the way down to the line detail. You can of course also add a general record list. For example, you can see here that we've got a list of all outstanding AP purchase invoices, and we've also got a working assignment list. So here we can see the different assignments and their level of progress. As for actually constructing the layout of the dashboard, it really is as simple as dragging and dropping the different items. So we can rearrange this with great ease. So when you consider that each user can have their own personalized dashboards, the combination of usability with the level of customization available means that dashboards alone can provide an efficient solution to an array of different processes. You can also define specific user groups. So if you want a group of certain staff members to have access to certain dashboards, you can do this and ensure that they only have access to the data that is meant for them.